What's this thing doing here? What is it? It's a Toyota Prius.
Alright, we're gonna go to a local car show and we're gonna put a camera under the hood of the Prius, and I think we're gonna try to get some reactions of people. It's a very nice day out here today, perfect day for a car show. I don't expect it to be a very big car show, but we'll see. So let's fire up the Prius. Do you want to start it?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. You know how to? See what happens. There we go, bro. An LS powered Prius.
Kind of funny.
That is awesome. I thought whenever it was coming in, I thought it was this thing. But it was Prius. An LS Prius.
Yeah, I felt embarrassed writing Prius on my ticket.
I saw you guys coming in and I heard that, but I thought it was this.
That's always the problem when you're driving with other loud cars, because it's like, oh, people aren't going to realize that it's us.
Yeah. And I was like, I thought it was that.
Yeah.
That's awesome. A lot of room there.
No, it's pretty funny.
I was going to say, if you look at the floor, you can see where it all went.
I was going to say, you probably had to cut a lot, huh?
Yeah.
He's going right here. Okay, where's the point? That one there goes with this one. Okay.
Probably has
I wonder how they got that in there.
Okay. Yeah, there should be probably park right up here.
How'd you fit that in there?
Lawn cutting.
Oh my gosh.
that kid that was Raven to me. He was in first grade with me.
I wonder why there's a Prius here. That makes sense.
Girls.
That's V8. I wondered why I was over here. I'm like, that makes sense.
When I seen it sitting over here, I was definitely making fun of it.
Well, that's what I said. I was like,
Yeah.
Get one.
Yeah, I was like, I was
That
definitely
makes
making
sense.
fun of it. Now it makes sense. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Bye, where are you? Wait,
Yeah, I would. Yeah. It's on well. Think it's a blower in the hood or not? I think it's naturally aspirated.
I don't know.
We'll check it out once it gets apart. Now I don't keep up with traffic.
Bill, my friend, that's his son Bill, what he brought. Until I walked over and looked. A Prius with a LS swap. Look at the size of that freaking thing.
What the hell did they do? I had to cut out the damn.
Oh yeah, check it out in here. He had to cut the tunnel out and everything for the rack and shifter. And it's rear-wheel drive. And these guys, they always put swaps in. He's got another old Prius, older than that, I think. Put an LS in.
They LS swapped the Prius.
The owner's right there.
I love that.
With the LSX hat.
What is it? An LS3 or LSX?
No,
or something?
it's a 5.3.
5.3?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So, it's just a
not-
truck engine.
Yeah.
All right, it's a Vortex.
It's only made.
Yeah.
What's this thing doing here? What is it? It's a Toyota Prius.
I didn't see at first what the car it was, but then I looked at the back and I saw the Prius. Driven by Bill. What did he put in this? Billet Speedo.
Isn't that awesome? Same motor as a Camaro, except it's probably hopped up. Look at that.
Driven by Bill. Does that say $1 million to rebuild?
It's a 5.3 liter, so that's the LS out of a truck.
Does that say $1 million to rebuild? Am I crazy?
Do you see the light?
Probably.
See him?
That better be a joke. I can't believe how nice it looks in there.
Oh, that.
How's it going?
Bruh.
Dude, the engine's so
Holy
nice.
crap.
Good God.
Where's my phone?
That's cool as shit. This little car got a big V.
What? They put an 8-cylinder vet engine in this? This is the fastest Prius on earth.
I know, I said they
Got my
They took a Prius, a crate engine. Yeah. It's a hybrid, so to stick thumb their nose at it, they put a crate engine for General Motors.
Holy cow, I can't believe that. It's a V8. Holy cow. What are you doing? I'm a spider. I'm a spider. I'm a spider. Smack the spider. It's dead.
That's the same motor that's in my truck. With the tunnel being the way it is, I'm sure it's rear wheel at this point.
Yeah, it's rear.
I can see the control arms.
You're shitting me. An LS swap. Dude, this is nuts. Dude, this is crazy. That's more than a hybrid.
That's what it says hybrid on the side. It's a hybrid.
Dude, I would love to see it.
Time to leave. We're getting ready. Time to go for the car show.
I think those tubs I had
I would say we got quite a bit of reactions.
this morning.
Time to go. Hopefully we get some good reactions. It is kind of crazy though, because yeah. Whenever we were about to leave, there's people talking about like the shifter. It's like a racing shifter. I mean, it is basically a racing shifter, so I get it. So yeah, but we're about to head off. It was a great day at the car show. So it's time. I'll say I can hop in right now. Daddy, I'm gonna hop in. What's this thing doing here? What is it? It's a Toyota